Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. How are you all? I hope you all guys are fine. Today I am going to make very easy gloves. Even beginners can make it easily. I have used 4-ply yarn and crochet hook sizes 4. First of all, we will make slip knot and 31 chains. Now I have made 31 chains. Skip first chain and start from the second chain like this. Make 4 single crochet. I have completed 4 single crochet. Now in next 14 chains we will make one slip stitch and one half double crochet. This is called slip stitch and this is half double crochet. Now in next 14 chains we will make one slip stitch and one half double crochet. Make sure start with slip stitch and end with half double crochet. It is called Moss stitch. Now in the remaining 12 chains we will make single crochet. I have completed first row. Turn it, make one chain. Now in this first hole we will make our first single crochet like this, and in the remaining 11 chains we will make our single crochet only in the back loop like this. I have made 12 single crochet. Now again in 14 chains we will make one slip stitch and one half double crochet. I have completed most stitches. Now we will make 4 single crochet. 3 single crochet from the back loop and 4th from the hole like this. 2 rows are completed. Turn it, make one single chain. Our second row was ended with 4 single crochet. Now our third row will start from the 4th single crochet. First we'll make from the hole and 3 single crochet will make from the back loop. After making 4 single crochet we will make in 14 chains one slip stitch and one half double crochet and 12 single crochet. I have completed 5 lines. The design will be like this. I have completed 34 rows. You make it according to your hand size. Now we will stitch it with the yarn needle. Stitch it according to your thumb size. I have stitched it. This hole is according to my desired thumb size. You can make it according to your thumb size. Today's video ends here. Like my video, subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Love it.